what is the most empowering way we can cause others to experience their higher being and support them in manifesting this? Thank you for opportunity to ask you questions today. So fun. Justin Duley, first thing understand, it's a virtuous circle. When you start talking to others about their higher being, you will discover many of your higher dimensions. Go on be enriching others, you will open up and enrich and raise yourself in a higher way. When you raise yourself higher way, you can enrich others in a next level higher way. So how? I tell you, I just decided yesterday, let me start the ground level work, raw, how I started my life, how I started my public life. I'll walk from village to village. Actually, I started my public life in a very young age. Immediately after 12, after I realized my enlightenment, immediately after 12, I took my first Padayatra from Tiruvannamalai to Vadalur. And that Padayatra is my first enriching Padayatra, as per my Guru's instruction. See, I should say, I started organized public life in 2000. But my public life started when I was 12. In, I think, 1984. That's the age I was 12. That's the year I was 12. So my public life started that time itself, 1984 itself. So understand how I started my public life. One person at a time. I will walk from village to village and carry a kavadi. Kavadi means a bamboo stick, both sides, two parts will be hanging. So I will receive whatever people offer in both parts. One part for me, one part for the deity. To the temple I am traveling. So it is not that I was going from Tiruvannamalai to Vadalur directly. I was making from Tiruvannamalai. First I decided I will go to that nearby. There is a place called Somasipadi. It's a Subramanya temple. Then from that Subramanya temple, there was a nearby another one place. It's a small yatras. Put together it became Tiruvannamalai to Vadalur. And then I came back. So from Tiruvannamalai to Somasipadi, when I walk, one part is for me to consume and maintain myself, one part for that Subramanya. So that's the way I will carry. I will go to every village, sit, spend some time, and small boy carrying this kavadi, naturally people will be curious, all alone. They will come and try to talk to me. Then I will start talking to them and start enriching. Whatever little way I know, whatever Tamil with that language, and I will explain that this Muruga temple is very famous temple, and I am going there to have darshan of the Muruga. And I will call them to come to the temple, and then they will ask in this age what is there, Murugan and all that. Then I will start talking philosophy. Then in this age, if I don't do, in your age you want me to do. So whatever way I can, it was a raw, crude, ground level way, one person at a time. So I decided I am going to start my own way. One person at a time. Now I don't need to go to the streets. The street comes to me in the iPad. The whole world comes here in the form of internet. But one person at a time, reaching out. I tell you, shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. So most smartest strategy is hard work with integrity. That's all. That's the most smartest strategy. I decided, let me sit and start doing, start empowering, start enriching. Now I am seeing suddenly the whole energy of the Sangha has become different. Today I spoke only half an hour satsang. Today satsang is the largest watched satsang in our whole Sangha in last 15 years of my public life. I tell you, let's sit and start. See, Justin Dule, I'll give you this as a technique. Every person you know who will be interested to talk about this higher life, start talking to them one by one, you will discover you. When you help them to discover them, you will discover you. This is the best way to experience, manifest and support others to manifest the higher being.